Alright, I was finally able to get into hardware diagnostics, keyboard test. Let's see. Okay, no I can't. Let's enter. Strike a key. What, 0? Okay, good. Enter. Back. Left. Info. Okay, so this one is going to be pressing. Is that supposed to press? F1, 2, F3, F4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 0, 9, 6, 2, 3, dash, clear, delete, I don't know what reboot is, up, or back, enter, X, T, 0 not working, oh, okay, that finally worked, scale, info, it's not supposed to press up. It's not working. Not seem to be working. Come on, son. Come on. Is that not supposed to press? It? Everything seems to be going. Why is everything fading? Don't know. That's the first time I saw that. Everything on the keyboard is now fading. So that does not look good at all, either. Alright,